Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by Indiana Resources CEO Lindsay Owler. Lindsay, you've just announced that drilling is underway at Indiana's Minos gold deposit. What should investors be looking out for with that drill program?
Thanks, Tyler. Minos has delivered a stream of impressive high-grade drill intercepts to date, so investors should be on the lookout for continued drill success from Minos. And the news flow from the drill program just underway will continue to October this year, just on the basis of that program alone.
Those existing high-grade gold intercepts included results like 21 metres at 8.43 grams per tonne gold. Just how strong is that mineralisation, and can you elaborate on those standout intercepts?
Minos has returned a number of very high-grade drill hits, and the importance of this, the sort of benchmark that investors should be looking for when they're assessing these things, is 100 gram metres. So if you times the grade by the intercept and you get more than 100, then that is really an exceptional intercept and demonstrates economic potential for the deposit.
And Indiana has also started a scoping study for Minos, initially involving geological modelling, resource estimation and metallurgy. Can you give us some details on how that work complements the drilling program?
Indiana's aiming here to really unlock the value of the broader project via this scoping feasibility work. So at the moment and since March, we've been preparing historic drill data so that a geological model for the Minos gold deposit can be constructed, and that geological model will lead us to be able to estimate a maiden mineral resource, gold resource. The scoping metallurgy that we're getting underway at the moment is going to provide us with some fairly vital information about the mineral processing route, and in particular the sorts of gold recoveries that we could expect in the event there's a mining operation at Minos.
And the Minos gold deposit isn't the only prospect within Indiana's Gawler Craton project. Are there any adjacent targets under the microscope?
Well, yes, work's been proceeding since July last year on the development of drilling targets at areas called Ariadne and Company Well. And both of these areas are literally within walking distance of Minos. They all sit on the same geological structure, the Lake Labyrinth Shear Zone. Recently, just as recently as 2 weeks ago, we completed a detailed aeromagnetic survey over the Minos area, the Lake Labyrinth Shear Zone area, and two other areas to give us fantastic detailed airborne mapping. We completed very detailed scale geological mapping of this Lake Labyrinth area last year to 1 to 2,500 scale. We completed 4,500 geochemical samples over the area with an auger program, the last results of which are just coming through at the moment. And all of these data sets are going to be combined to generate RC drilling programs in these areas. So the broader strategy for Indiana is to work from Minos down to Ariadne, down to Company Well, and be a continuum of gold drilling, and really these other areas will feed into the broader economic picture for a gold development in the area.
And Lindsay, do you have any final comments for us?
We have pending assay results from the Minos gold deposit. We'll have drilling until at least August, with results coming through until October, and investors can expect to see initial results from metallurgical test work.
Lindsay, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Tyler.